We have some news coming into our newsroom here from our Louis Martinez and Catherine Falders as well. This is surrounding Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth and his use of this Signal app. It sounds like we're learning more about how he used it on his personal computer that also, according to this reporting, was connected to the internet on an unsecured commercial line that Louis and Catherine say is known as the dirty line. What more do we know about this?
Yeah, Kena, this is just coming through moments ago. We are confirming reporting that had earlier been reported by the AP, and this just adds to the controversy around Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth. So as you said, according to two sources, we're learning that Hegseth used the Signal app on a personal computer in his office that was connected to the internet on an unsecured commercial line. What you mentioned is called a dirty line. And that was installed at Pete Hegseth's request so he could use the Signal app on his personal computer. So why is this important? Well, a commercial internet line does not have the firewall protections that the Department of Defense's unclassified system has, so that makes it potentially susceptible to being monitored, particularly if sensitive information is being communicated. Now, this, of course, comes after previous controversies of Hegseth sharing details about an imminent attack on Houthis in Yemen in a Signal chat group, him along with other members of Trump's National Security Council, and then new revelations more recently that there was a second chat group that Hegseth had been using with Signal that included his wife, his brother, and his personal lawyer. That's according to two sources familiar with the contents of the chat. They were telling ABC News this. So the controversy around Hegseth continues to mount huge questions about his use of the Signal app, which is not part of DoD protocol.
And on that note, it's important, Selena, as well, it sounds like this so-called dirty line was actually installed at his request so that he could use the Signal app on that personal computer. We will certainly continue to investigate that. Jacqueline and Selena, thanks to both of you.